Welcome back. This is Basic Bag Works. This is Ryan, and this is episode 3 of Scott Weeks Silverado. Last episode we got all the bars welded in up there for the wishbone, the race gas tank member, and we started cleaning up the rear end. Cut all the brackets off. Need to come in here, get all this grinded up, cleaned up, and then need to get the bed trimmed up a little bit more so I can get a good measurement to know from flange to flange on how much we need to narrow for each side. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning up because floor's a mess, and see where we end up.
Sparks flying, steel cut clean, built from scratch, know what we mean. Plasma burning, wells looking right. Custom rides, taking flight. Basic bag work, bringing bills to life. Air ride fabrication, working into the night. From the frame up, every detail in sight. We delivering masterpieces into the light. Cut it, weld it, lay it out. We are anything but basic bag works.
Welcome back there, YouTubers. It's Ryan, and things get ready to storm. But on that note, we have got some we're back with the videos. We got Trey Bailey knocked out here. New compressors, new controller, and we did some replumbing of some things, got rid of some things, that is water traps, and a few other things. So, that is done. Quick little repair job on the deck. Not gonna be able to take the truck to Maggie this year. I haven't been able to touch it. Let's see what else. This truck is sold. For those that didn't know, rare ground effects kit. So, guys coming this week to get that. F-250 is getting picked up this week. That lawnmower is getting picked up this week. We've knocked out a bunch of orders. The wife's car still sad looking. Yeah. Still waiting on the insurance. Rear door, front door, fender, B pillar, A pillar, all messed up. So all that's got to be fixed. We're going to buy that back as soon as the insurance company will get up with us. So we're dealing with State Farm with that. Go figure. But yeah, let's get in here and let's get back to working on I don't know what we're gonna call it. We'll call it Purple Silverado for right now until I come up with a nickname for it. Well, got some in my eye a little while ago and had to take contacts out, but currently narrowing the notches. And that's so we can fit these wide wheels on this truck. So yeah, because currently from this point here to the back of the disc plate is like 3/8 of an inch. So we're going to narrow the notch by 1.25 inches. So that'll give us what is that, I can't think all of a sudden. 1 inch and 5/8. Wow. And it's only Tuesday. So, yeah, so now that give us 1 inch and 5/8 clearance from the back of the that little disc plate that bolts to the rear end. For those that don't remember, we have to narrow each side of this axle by 8 inches per side. But we got the new axles in. We got them from Moser. We've got new bearings, new seals, new everything to go in this rear end. So yeah, I'm probably done for tonight because I can't half see out of these glasses. These are, I'd say, probably a good 10-year-old prescription or more, probably 12-year-old prescription. Most of the time I'll just use these, you know. I wake up in the morning and then right before I go to bed, kind of thing. I wear my contacts the rest of the time. So I need to get some new glasses. I tried to pop in some new contacts. Boy, it went right straight to burning. My eye turned red. So definitely can't wear them right now. So he's done making enough noise. Let's get back in here and See if we can't draw up a new notch plate.
Don't wanna complicate ya.
So one of the good things about this class table we got, it's got a marker feature. It does have a scribe feature as well, but I get a new scriber for it because that one's messed up. But once we design something, we're making it have to adapt to something else, like this truck, for example. I can take all the dimensions I need, I can draw it up, we can put it on the marker mode, draw it out like that, cut it, and then we can test fit it on the chassis. Now let us know if we need to change something, or if we're right on the first shot, or wherever we're at. So this is going to be the end of this episode, and in the next one we'll pick right up where we left off here with welding the notch, and then we'll move along to passenger side and get this side welded up. Then we got to pull all this apart, and we got to cut out that section there. Same on the other end. Got to redo that. The weld paper. Humidity has decided it wanted to infiltrate and release the sticky. So yeah. Finally back on the truck. Finally getting some progress made. And I did not video it, but over there is a parts car for the wife's Acadia. Found a running, driving car, no title, fairly cheap. Cheap enough that I can take the parts off that I need, cut the parts off that I need, part it out, and probably break even. So, if you need any parts for a 2014 to 2016 GMC Acadia, holla. I'm going to have some parts available. And pretty soon, including the motor and transmission. That guy's here too. So, we're yeah, I forgot where I was going with that sentence. Make sure you do all the YouTubey things, like, subscribe, comment, and if you're watching on the cellular device, make sure you go down there to the bottom and hit that hype button 3 times per week. So hit it at least once for me, if not twice, if not 3 times if you can. And let's get these watch hours up. We're less than, I think we're right around 1,200 watch hours away from getting completely monetized. And for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway winners, now that everything is finally slowed down, caught back up and everything, your stuff will be getting shipped out soon. So be on the lookout for that. Until next time, keep doing work.